Hey everyone, welcome to my mountain bike
Good call.
channel here. I'm not a professional, not a YouTuber, just wanted to share my bike ride. Alright, so we're at the Southwest Trail system in the southwest part of Las Vegas. Coming up in a little bit, you'll be able to see it to the right,
Been a week.
The city of Las Vegas.
I'm already.
So that drop right there was almost like a 2-foot drop. This is the top of the hill. It took about 40 minutes. You can ride up, a little bit of walking here and there, but it's a great trail. All right, guys, subscribe if you want. You don't have to. I don't make any money off of this. It's just me sharing my ride.
Don't do that. Check the switcher.
All right, guys,
GoPro's
enjoy the ride.
on this little ledge. Pretty funny. Oh, I'm a little wobbly. Ooh, these kids are going fast. Shit, too tired to try to make it. Did you make it? This is my fourth time on this, third time. But today's different. I don't know if you can see Andrew on the other side, the ravine. These guys are all trying to set personal records today. They also didn't ride 10 miles to get here. Let's take a look at this thing's even recording. Oh, it's recording. Vegas! Make it! Make it! Is it makeable? Apparently not. It's funny. Not makeable. It is makeable. Somebody with talent. Alright, I rode 10 miles before I got here. I'm gonna do a Las Vegas enduro race. Get my cardio in. Tell everybody, when you're fatigued, you make mistakes. Ooh, look at this little ledge. Like a little billy goat. Whew, finally, view to the city. There's the city. Summerlin. Whoa. Riding at 172 on the BPM. Big water splash. I think we're still on good call heading to the bipolar. Bipolar, there's a trail over here. Like these little step ups. Like riding over curbs. Is that it? There we go. Get into bipolar. A little chunky. Oh, here we go. Drop it in. They're trying to set PRs today, so we'll see. Carrying momentum up. It's a little steeper than we want to do. Whoa! Chunky. Sad part, it makes my hands hurt. I'm supposed to count how many drops, but I don't remember. Woo! There we go, bipolar. My hands hurt already. He's about 80% of the shock there. The fork, I mean. These guys don't want PRs. Woo, that's big. Woo, that's a little bigger than I expected. Rowdy trail, rowdy. Whew. Same rock every time. That's crazy. 3 in a row. Hey, you guys ain't setting no PRs like that. Kids are slowing me down. Still at 171 on BPM. Oh, I'm not gonna make it, not gonna make it. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh. Fatigue's getting in. But now they're pulling away. Whew. Too tired. Been on the bike for almost 2 hours. What's up? I'm tired. Where's he at? He's way up there. Little pumping. You can call this gravel. Gets a little chunky. Little rollover. Whoop. Rowdy. I love that word. Jeez. There's no forgiveness on these rocks. Whoa. Ah, dude. We're gonna take you on that line. I'm tired. Gotta change gears. Did you really pedal that?